Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah. My best friends Clayton and Faith got married on Friday, and as a surprise for their wedding, I bought them this '99 Jeep Cherokee XJ. So in today's video, we're gonna go deliver it to them, surprise them. I'm not really sure how this is gonna go. Clayton's gonna be very confused. Faith will be excited. I mean, Clayton will be excited as well, but Clayton's gonna be very confused, which is entertainment in and of itself. Last week, I was up at Clayton's shop, and he told me he wanted to trade his Ford Explorer for a Cherokee XJ. So, well, now he has it, and this thing is spec'd to the max. BFG 35-inch tires, we got the long arm suspension kit, we got the Dana 44 rear axle, we got differential lockers. Clayton's dad, Robbie, is actually a Jeep connoisseur, and I got his stamp of approval on this thing. He said this is the Jeep. So, we're gonna head up to Park City, we're gonna surprise him. I'm not really sure how this is gonna go, but well, here we go. We got the new Acura NSX looking sharp. That is a really, really good car, and I think it's underappreciated in a lot of ways. So the Jeep is on empty. I'm not gonna buy I'm not gonna give Clayton a Jeep on empty. Full send, full send, full send, full send, full send, full send. Kind of full send, not really full send. I'm texting Clayton right now, telling him that I'm gonna stop by his shop and that I forgot to give him his wedding gift at his actual wedding. So I'm starting to get a little bit nervous. I'm starting to get anxious. I'm getting anxious. You at the shop, gonna stop by real quick, forgot to bring your guys' wedding gift to the wedding. So, all right, there we go. Welcome here to beautiful Park City. Clayton's shop is up there, but we're gonna make a maneuver this way. Unexpected sequence in the vlog. We gotta hide the Jeep temporarily. We gotta maneuver very slowly, make sure Clayton and Faith aren't looking around or anything. We don't wanna ruin the surprise. Park her right here. My heart rate is like through the roof right now. This is not good for my health. Okay, tentative plan. We are leaving the Jeep right here. I'm gonna go walk into Summit Auto Lab. Clayton, I think his mom and dad are there. We're gonna actually watch my newest video. I'm gonna make it live right now. If you've not seen that video, go watch it. It's the video where I actually went and picked up the Jeep. That'll kind of be like the cue, like the surprise. We'll just watch a little segment in it where I announce I'm buying them the Jeep, and then I'll have the Jeep key in hand, and I'll hand it to him, and then we'll walk outside, and then Clayton's dad will come get the Jeep, and he'll drive around the corner. That's sort of like the tentative. Full send. I think like the whole family's here. Yeah, the whole family's here. Oh, what's up? The whole family's here. Sal, what's up, dude? What's up? I missed you so much. Oscar, he's not here, but I'm sorry. I made you guys a special YouTube video. Just for you, and just for you. And it just went live, and we need to watch it right now. So,
you go up to the living room and watch it on the TV?
Sure. Faith just asked if she's gonna cry. There will be no crying in today's video. There's not gonna be any crying, guys. I'm not gonna get emotional. I'm definitely not gonna cry. I'm 100% gonna cry. We got theater seating right here. We're gonna watch my newest video, which just went live like 2 minutes ago.
And your viewers, this is the first time they get to see our apartment.
Oh yeah.
So welcome.
Yep, welcome. Anyways, we're not gonna show the whole apartment. That one, yeah. That video right there, click it.
1 minute ago, jeez.
1 minute ago, yeah, we're getting the exclusive.
Did you like?
No, we are not skipping the ad. I need the ad revenue.
But I know, we never do.
Yeah, we're good. Hey, buddy. No, pay attention.
Sick.
That was such a cool day.
They're getting married on Friday, and I want to buy them a Jeep for their wedding. So Clayton's dad is like a Jeep expert. What? Are you serious? Yeah. It is, Faith. It's mainly for you, Faith. It's right outside. What? Well, we don't need to watch anything else now. We're good. What? Yeah, it's outside. Let's go see it.
We were just talking about Jeeps at breakfast.
That's right. Remember like 5 days ago you said you wanted a Cherokee?
Yeah.
There's a Cherokee outside. Let's go. Come on, let's go. No, we don't need to watch the rest. That's it. That's all that matters. I mean, no, because you're going to see it. You're going to see the one I bought.
Okay, let's go downstairs.
Yeah. Pause it. Well, I just embarrassed a Tesla right there. And a Tesla, but.
All right, pause it.
All right, let's. Well, I mean, everything is yours now, Faith.
Yeah.
So,
you see this thing?
It's kind of both of you guys. I said there was going to be no crying in the video. So.
Oh, baby.
All right. I've been about 5 minutes. No. I'm not really sure what happened. Oh, there it is. Never mind, it started.
Oh, yeah.
There it is. Woohoo. It's like spec to the max too.
Sick.
So your dad helped me go buy it, and so I got the Robbie Stark stamp of approval.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's sick.
This is sick. So when are we going to Moab?
Thank you guys. Thanks. I don't know. Hopefully soon.
Yeah.
No, you guys I cannot thank you guys enough for your friendship. And it has a bunch of spare parts for you to install, and it has a bunch of issues for you to fix as well.
Perfect.
So
it's like a Cherokee fashion.
Oh my gosh!
Oscar's already ridden in it, so there's a little bit of fluff here and there, but you know. I also have my Gladiator engine, which Robbie and I don't know. Might be able to swap it, but if we could, it'd be sick. So, yeah.
Cold air, K&N.
Yes, K&N, only the best. The parking brake doesn't work, and the rear doors you can't open, but
Okay.
you can fix stuff.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Perfectly ventilated.
Exactly. Oh, so the air conditioning doesn't work. And when I started it this morning, the rear window randomly went down, and I can't get it to go back up. Or might not start again. All right, yeah, here we go, here we go. Don't break it the first day. We gotta go wheel it, but unfortunately it's like pouring rain in Park City. Are you kidding me, Utah? We might get stuck because it's very muddy out, but we'll be okay. Full send.
The trail is like right here.
I'm wearing my new kicks, so I'm not actually gonna get out, but we made it to the end of the trail. So yeah, nothing broke. That's a really good sign because at some point something's gonna break and Clayton's gonna have to fix it. I did not want it to be today. So yeah, we're gonna head back to the shop. Faith is gonna give it a run. So
Hey yo.
They're leaving me behind. Oh God. This Jeep is so perfect. It's exactly what Faith and I wanted. We really wanted to get a Jeep so we could go explore Moab.
Faith finding the biggest rock. There we go.
A little more right there.
This flex right here. There's nothing on that rock right now. But get a good look at the suspension right there. This is gonna be fun. Guys, if you have not subscribed to Clayton and Faith's YouTube channel, there's a link in the description below. There's gonna be a bunch of Jeep content. Guys, like go subscribe right now, like do it. Like do me a huge favor, go subscribe to them right now. I don't know about you guys, but I can breathe a fresh sigh of relief because nothing broke, nothing broke. Day one, nothing broke. We're saying bye to the Jeep. Faith and Clayton are taking me home. Pit, come on. Nope, nope, okay, never mind, GT3. We are headed to the Eaglewood car show. We're gonna take the Aventador, but it needs to be washed, it needs to be waxed. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna wax it, but it does need to be washed, but not right now. 19,990 miles, and we have traffic all day, baby. All day, as far as we can see. Like, yeah, we got traffic. We just arrived here to the Eaglewood car show. We found Clayton and Faith there in the Cayman. The Aventador is not liking the heat. It's 101.5 degrees Fahrenheit. And you see this gauge right here? We're like overheating right now, but I mean, we've arrived, so that's good. If you are here at Eaglewood, I can't rev the Aventador because we're about to overheat, and well, revving it would increase the heat and the likelihood of a fire. I don't have a fire extinguisher, so probably should take care of that soon. Oh, whoa, there's a Porsche 959. What's up, dude? Okay, we gotta park. Yeah, what's up, what's up? We got the yellow Performante right there. Eaglewood is stacked this year. We've arrived here to the Eaglewood Supercar Show. This is by far and away the best show in all of Utah. We got two Murcielagos, we got the Aventador, and the Diablo is so, also there's a Countach over there. So yeah, we're gonna go see what we can find, and maybe maybe probably get some food, and a helicopter. That heat, yeah. I'm okay though, I got persevering, but that was very, very loud. I think someone made a mistake. A mistake has been made. This car should not be here. This is not Mustang parking, and it looks like some poor soul got hit by it. I don't know what this is doing here. We got Chad's Diablo though, just chilling, looking so good. We gotta film more videos with this soon. Anyways, that's the Burlackers Mustang GT350. Whoa, hey, who let you park here? You should not be. You should not be parking here. Like, who let you?
Don't show anybody.
It's actually amazing. Is the person okay? Are they okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got 15 Lambos here. This one is sick. This is the worst Steiner kid too. And a true hero right there. On the spot, what's your favorite car here? Go. My car?
Your car.
Yo! Nice, man. We got some special shout out to who?
Colton, how you doing?
Colton, thanks for watching the channel. What's your favorite car here?
Your Lamborghini.
Yes, my man. Thank you. The amount of heat is just unbearable. It's like 100 degrees out here, but I'm out here being tenacious for you guys, getting the shots. There's a twin turbo Lambo coming to the vlog soon, but it's not gonna be a Gallardo. Whoa. Look at this guy. He's got like this half wrap. He lost his, whoa, wait, that's B-Road Performance.
I sold the bumper for the car.
Oh, no, for
No,
the exhaust. For the exhaust. Yeah. No. That's a. Could you rev it for the viewers?
For you.
This is a V8 R8. It sounds like a Dyson, right? Just like mine?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm so calm. I'm just gonna chill here. It's not even gonna be a big deal. It's a nice titanium wheel. That sounds so good. All right. I don't know why Audi makes a car that sounds like a vacuum cleaner when it can sound like that. What? We have an anniversary Lamborghini Countach. Goals right here. I think my greatest moment on YouTube in the past year was driving that Countach off in Denver, Colorado. Such a dumb car, which is what makes it so much fun. There are a few things I can guarantee. I'm gonna have a Countach and an LM002 soon. Not, and when I say soon, like probably quite a while from now, but yeah, soon. Probably the best Spider I've ever seen. I can't guarantee with 100% certainty. We might rev the Aventador, but I'm gonna have to double check with the fire marshal. None of these Huracans spit flames, so there might be a flame show. The 4th of July is coming up. I told you, V12 Lambos are like nothing can compete with a V12. Nothing can do it. I probably should rev mine, but I think that one might be.
There you go. Now, you couldn't take the pressure.
At a nice 720S. I didn't even see that. That's sick. Told Nick to stay a couple lanes away from me, and we got Clayton. Those white wheels look so good. I think Nick needs to get some white wheels. Oh, we got an underpass. Are we lining up? I think we're lining up. Is this happening? See ya. Bye. He's gone. Oh, there's a Focus RS. That thing is sick. What? Also, that color gray, that would actually match Clayton and Nick. It's really a story of inspiration, survival, courageousness, bravery. You made it. Hey, whoa, bro. I was gonna buy you a snow cone. Did you have to do me like that? Did you have Focus RS?
Dude, that thing took off.
That thing is sick.
You know what's funny is I was talking about how you can't get one. You want one, flexing, but you know.
I've been searching left and right, up and down. I can't find a Focus RS. There's a guy in Tooele who has a blue one. I texted him. I could see that he read the text message. I texted him again, and he left me on red receipt. It's really the story of my life, not only with cars, but also with girls. Anyways, this is probably the most emotional thing I've ever had to talk about on the vlog. It's a 45-minute wait for snow cones. 45 minutes. I haven't had a snow cone since I was in Maui a year and a half ago, so we're gonna go get some drinks at the truck stop. This guy with his V16 plate, are you kidding me? Like, bro, it's a V8. It's not a V16. You only have 8 cylinders, dude. There's only 8.
Yeah, but I got hot tamales.
What? Did I ever tell you what a great person you are and how much I appreciate you and support you and... Oh, I was not expecting that. Wow.
That's the type of person I am, right here. Subscribe to
Oh,
my channel.
are you kidding me?
I am. That's how we are. That's how we roll.
Wow. Fireworks go off when you say to subscribe. Are you kidding me?
Meant to be.
Kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Yep.
Hot tamales. What's up, Henry? Found it. Yeah. Clayton and Faith are headed on their honeymoon tomorrow. As soon as they get back, I think we're gonna take the Jeep to Moab. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be taking my Gladiator. Kind of sort of have some bad news regarding the Gladiator. Conference call tomorrow, so in the next video I'll have a full update. But anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.